Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Trenchless Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, May 9th, 2023, and I'm finally getting settled back in after a full week in the Pacific Northwest Lake. Starting off Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday in Portland at No Dig, and then Wednesday through Friday, bouncing around Western Washington, meeting with a few municipalities, counties, and DOTs to look at some upcoming 2023 project sites, as well as discuss some potential 2024 and 2025 projects as well. So with this first one, there's going to be about a 1 week time period in September where these culverts are not at least partially submerged. So we're going to need a contractor to get in and out, slip lining and grouting these 54, 48, and then 236s during that time period. And luckily we have a very skilled network of contractors up in the Pacific Northwest to take care of this culvert rehab project. And here you can see that is the inlet. That's going to be where the pipes are completely submerged for a vast majority of the year. So with the culverts in the condition they're in, it's going to be very important they get in and out so they don't have to put up this project for yet another year. Then for another project with the municipality self-installing, this run is several hundred feet of 16-inch CMP to be accessed by manholes. But what they're going to end up doing is digging two 30-foot pits or so they can line the pipe and not have to worry about digging up the entirety of this residential road in the neighborhood, which two 30-foot pits for a 400-foot run or so is definitely a win in my book, and the municipality agreed. So the municipality should be starting that project in June, and hopefully we have more updates for you guys on that one shortly. And then for another project we're looking at, I'm going to guess with the amount of permitting this one's going to require, it's going to be at least 2025. And with the crown of the pipe, get closer up, with the crown of the pipe being non-existent towards the outlet, this pipe is in fairly rough condition. We did not get a look at the inlet, but it's been in the ground for over 50 years. So it's definitely served out its design life. And so with slip lining, they're going to be able to save the road that runs along the coast, save the park that's across the street from the coast, and then save the parking lot this pipe runs under as well. So not sure if this one will be another installation installed by the same municipality or whether or not they're going to bring in a contractor for it, but you guys can see that job site. So definitely some permitting to be done. So hopefully this one will stay on our radar for 2025. And hope everybody's week is off to a good start, and we will see you next week.